Hello, we are at Sécheron at the exhibition in Indonesia, RailwayTech exhibition. My name is Gerardo Rivera. I'm the head of sales and business development in Sécheron for services. For us, it's important to be present, to be close to our customers, be close to the market, and of course, we want to promote our best innovations in Sécheron. Well, we believe that the exhibition has, in general terms, good quality. We have participated also in the conferences that were organized by the organization. And I think that also the participation there could be also improved. And we believe that, thanks to this exhibition, we can have a more, more access to the market, but also to achieve some good business in the railway system in Indonesia.